This time, we will show you how to use Geoflow, a dedicated program for Model 5481 digital vertical inclinometer system. Model 5481, the dedicated program Geoflow is a dedicated program that downloads and checks the measurement data stored on a smartphone to the PC, and to check the measurement value of the underground slope, which allows you to interpretation and analyze the data on measurements such as displacement, calculation, and graph generation. The Geoflow program can be downloaded as a software from our company website archives. There are two ways to download the measured data to a PC using a smartphone. The first method is to send by email using the Inclinometer app. Select Send to Email on the main screen. Select the email address at the top. Select data from the data list at the bottom, and touch Send to Email to send data to the selected email address. The transferred data format is a text file and has the extension ACF. The second is to copy directly using a USB cable. Connect the smartphone to the PC using a USB cable and copy the measurement data in the smartphone ACE instrument folder to the PC. Now, let's run the Geoflow program. As shown in the following screen, only the File and About menus are created by default in the Geoflow program menu. When you create new data or open data with new or open in the File menu, the entire menu is activated. First, the description of the File menu. New creates a file with a new name by specifying a storage folder. Saved files have the extension GEO. Open opens the previous saved GEO file. Save as saves the file currently in use or saves it with a different file name. Export can convert the currently used file to a text file or a comma-separated file for spreadsheet programs. The data value saved at this time is the voltage value. Exit the Geoflow program. Communication menu is not used in Model 5481. Digital inclinometer menu is a function to import or convert ACF data measured in Model 5481. Add site hole is a function to add a new site hole. Click Add Site Hole to create a new site hole information input window, and click OK after entering the information to add a new site hole. When you click Add Data, a time input window for the data to be entered is created. After selecting the time and clicking the OK button, a window for entering data is created. After entering the data and clicking Accept, the new data is added to the whole list. Edit data is a function to edit data. After clicking the data to be modified in the whole list, click Edit Data to create a new window for entering data. After modifying the data, click Accept to complete the data modification. This time, we will import the ACF data measured by Model 5481.
Click Open Data in the Digital Inclinometer menu to open the ACF file saved on the PC.
The opened data is divided into export data, converted to Geo, and create to Geo as shown on the screen to the convert and save. When you click Export Data, the success text appears and it is converted and saved as an Excel file, a CSV file. The file name is saved as same as name of the ACF file. Convert to Geo converts the ACF file to the new measurement time of the GEO file currently used by Geoflow. If the ACE file information and the site hole information being managed by the user are the same, it can be converted and saved regardless of the ACF file name. After clicking Convert to Geo, and if the success text appears, the conversion is complete. You can see that the converted data is stored in the existing site hole list. Create to Geo is a function that is newly created without the currently used site hole and is used when the ACE file information does not match the site hole information of the existing site list. After clicking Create to Geo and the success message appears, you can see that it is newly created and saved in the program with the site hole name of the ACF file. Next, we will look at how to check the data. Right-click the measurement date of the hole list you want to check, and an option window will appear. At this time, click See Data to display the data confirmation window. You can edit the data by clicking the Edit button in the data confirmation window. If you click Report Data, a displayment amount confirmation window is created. In order to check the displayment amount or select the displayment amount graph, it is necessary to determine the basis for calculating the displayment amount. In the Geoflow program, all displayment calculations are generated based on the initial data selected. Select the desired initial measurement time from the Initial Date Time selection box at the top left of the screen. Clicking the Select button creates the current data list window. Select the current data based on the set initial value and check the displayment amount. Up to certain data can be selected. You can check the relative absolute displayment through the text at the top of the pop-up window and change it through the right button. Click Export to CSV file at the bottom left to save as a CSV file. When you click the Print button, a window for setting the report form to be output to the printer is created. After setting, you can click Print to print. Click the Profile button on the bottom left of the current left data screen to move to the graph screen. The left side offers the displayment amount accumulated on the A-axis as a horizontal displayment amount profile graph according to depth. The right side offers the displayment amount accumulated on the B-axis as a graph of the horizontal displayment amount profile according to the depth. Change scale allows you to change the scale of the graph. You can select the graph to print by changing the profile of current displayment at the top of the screen. Click the Plan B button to check the display mount as a flow of plan. You can print the profile graph of the selected data in Flint by clicking the Flint button at the bottom left.